we need to support not only trying to alleviate this in the community, but it has been taxing our resources.
Belleville Mayor Neil Ellis has taken a drastic step for his community, declaring an addiction, mental health, and homelessness emergency. Ellis says there were 16 overdoses on Tuesday. Just 2 days later, 6 more.
When you declare an emergency, it basically gives you, if there's any access to funding, it makes you more of a priority issue.
It is the number one concern of the downtown.
Maury Flunder is the chair of Belleville's Business Improvement Association. The BIA runs an outreach program called Welcoming Streets, aimed at assisting Belleville's vulnerable population access support. But Flunder says despite the efforts of the BIA and the municipality, the crisis is getting worse. And while many businesses continue to do well, according to Flunder, the current social issues are having an impact.
The perception from a large chunk of the community is certainly they don't want to come down at night, for example, and we don't, who wants that?
Belleville's police and fire department's calls for service went up about 18% in 2023 over the year before. And while some of that can be attributed to population growth, the growing housing, addiction, and mental health crisis was also a big part of that increase, and has meant more attention is focused squarely on the downtown.
There are 2 officers right now assigned to the downtown core and our community response model, as well as we have members walking the beat, as well as there's some private security involved as well.
The mayor has now added the emergency declaration to his effort to get a comprehensive provincial and federal strategy.
The gold standard is housing first and wraparound services, whether it be mental health services, drug addiction services, and how do we get there? I don't see a plan.
Darryn Davis, Global News.